Welcome to your guide to Bitdefender Central, your command center for managing subscriptions, installing products, monitoring device security, and accessing support. First things first, let's create your Bitdefender Central account. Head over to central.bitdefender.com and sign up using a valid email address. Your password must include both uppercase and lowercase letters, at least one number or symbol, and be at least 9 characters long. Once you've signed up, check your inbox. You'll receive a confirmation email. Just click the link inside to verify your account. It's important to do this before activating your Bitdefender subscription. Now that your account is confirmed, let's activate Bitdefender. Go to My Subscriptions on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click Activate with Code and enter your activation code. You're all set to install Bitdefender. There are several places within your Bitdefender account where you can install the products included in your subscription. You can follow the prompt that appears after successfully activating your subscription. Click the Install button next to a product on the My Subscriptions page. Click Install Bitdefender products on the dashboard. Or use the My Devices page to add a new device. Choose Download if you're installing on the current device. Or choose Protect Other Devices to scan the QR code with your smartphone. Copy the download link or send it via email. Want to protect your family's devices? With a Bitdefender family plan, you can. Go to My Subscriptions or Family Activity and invite members to join. They can easily install Bitdefender on their devices with just a few clicks. Now let's take a quick look at your Bitdefender account. This is where you can customize your account preferences. But no worries, you're already protected and safe. Here you can update your personal information, like your email address, name, country, phone number, preferred language, and profile picture. You can also change your account password, enable two-factor authentication for extra security, and manage trusted devices that are allowed to sign in without two-factor authentication. Want to see where and when your account was accessed? You can check your sign-in and activity history. You'll also find options to manage communication preferences, both in product and by email. And if needed, you can even choose to delete your Bitdefender account entirely. And here's a tip for easy monitoring and device management on the go: download the Bitdefender Central mobile app. Available for Android and iOS. That's it, you're all set with Bitdefender Central, your security simplified. Learn more at bitdefender.com/help. The Bitdefender Support Center,